I have been asked to introduce Pooja Krishna, an alumni who was here in 92, 93, I think. I did not recognize her by name, but I recognized her as soon as I saw her profile picture. I realized that she was the DS, and I had sent a message to Sheena saying, yes, I recognize her. Well, as teachers, all of us, all the teachers, we all go to the classroom believing that our students can and will meet and of course exceed our expectations. Believe me, the greatest reward that a teacher gets is when he or she sees the student flying high and has crossed whatever the expectations the teacher has put on her. So I think today, when I introduce Pooja Krishna, I have to say this, that she has proved the same. She has met our expectations. She has exceeded our expectations. And she has also proved the same, that whatever you do, be different. If you are different, you will stand out. Different indeed she is. She is a successful entrepreneur. And what makes her different is, in spite of being a successful entrepreneur, or I must say, along with being a successful entrepreneur, she has worked in so many fields. She has worked as a successful person for the welfare of women with an agency working for atrocities against women. And also she has worked for youth, rural youth, street children. So that is what makes her stand out. She has skills in marketing management and HR administration. And of course, she's associated with all kinds of things that you can think of. She has a Rotarian. She has worked in different parts of India and has organized plays, street plays, worked with the traffic police. She has worked on, she has done programs on stress management and many other topics. She has completed different programs conducted by Goldman Sachs and Shiri Blair Foundation, which has given her, I think, an edge over others. Now, if I say that she is a beauty with brains, it won't be wrong, because she was the nominee for the Miss SNDT University who was studying here. And I think she fits that adage very well. So she MD Shah Mahila College and its teachers, Pooja, salute you. We are so, so proud of you. May you touch the skies. May you be successful in whatever you do. That is our wish and prayer for
you. Thank you, ma'am. Thanks a lot for your words of praises. So when Jhankana ma'am called me the other day and she asked me to be the panelist for Teachers Day, I felt so overwhelmed, because I finished my graduation in 92, and post that this is the chance on Teachers Day which I am getting to pay my tribute to my teachers. And MD Shah Mahila College has been the first step, the milestone in my career, as I have been asked, how the college has been instrumental in my career. So I would say my college has been totally overall instrumental in my career, because my name was Pushpa Pandey. That's why you wouldn't have been able to recognize me. Later on, it got changed. So when I joined in 11th in 87, I was very shy girl. I couldn't meet eye to eye to anyone, even the students. Forget about teachers. I used to be so afraid. And my parents, they didn't want me to study further, because we coming from Eastern background, Eastern UP. But then forcefully I said, no, I want to study. And this Malad has got a SND, the women's college. And please allow me to study. So when I joined, so I used to be very afraid, shy. and whether I'll be able to carry on with the studies or not. I was from Hindi background, and I had taken admission for English medium, and but then teachers were so good that time that they used to make me feel that don't worry about English or language, just keep on studying, keep on reading, and go to library, go through books, go through dictionaries, and try to increase your knowledge, and definitely you will get success. So that was the beginning in 87 of my career, that I started crawling, वो बेबी क्रॉल करता है ना छोटा सा, जब धीरे पैर पे, वैसा मैंने चलना शुरू किया. और post on in when I went into graduation, I started getting into street plays, and I was being in fact told by the faculties, the teachers, that why don't you have got good voice, so why don't you sing, why don't you act, we require person like you. So apart from studies, I also started participating in extracurricular activities, and again that has been a tremendous instrument for my success. And today, there was a day when I couldn't speak even to one person, and today is the day when thousands of people are also in front of me, I can speak. So I started participating and all everywhere. And when my parents used to say, Ki, no, you are not supposed to be doing, my teachers, they used to talk to my parents. And many times they have come to my place to make my mother understand that don't worry, your daughter is safe, and she's very good, doing very good. And it's hard to find some teachers coming to students' place and saying that your daughter has to go forward. Please allow her to go forward, and we are there to support her, and you please believe on us. And I still remember that I was selected for this Republic Day parade from university to be hosted this thing in Delhi in 92 parade, 1992. Late our my this thing Bharti Ben madam, who's no more with us, she came to my place to make my mother understand that कि उसको जाने दो, यूनिवर्सिटी ने उसको सिलेक्ट किया है, प्लीज आप जाने दो, हमारे लिए गर्व की बात है. So I have been so lucky that my teachers were there. Urmila Ben was there. There are many teachers who have been instrumental in my career, and that's how I got the courage, strength to carry on in the life. Further in the life, I had many other problems. Means while I was working, I have gone through domestic abuse also in my life, but. Oh. But college, again, I'll say, because the way we have been brought up in our college for those 5 years of my college studies, it's not that I'm telling because today I'm sitting in my college, that's why I'm praising. But everywhere I say that my college has given me tremendous strength through because of which I'm able to fight in today outside world. So for me, my parent has been my college, my principal, my teachers, and of course the students who were there with me. So I learned so many things, and that I incorporated in my future, whatever acts I was doing, whatever task I was taking, whatever projects I was taking. And we were associated with Swadhar NGO when I was studying there in Shri M.D. Shah Mahila College. And we were we used to do work for domestic workers in Goregaon, and we were given certain hours to do, and we used to do very seriously that. And that's the reason that further in later on in my life, I got associated with people who were having domestic problems, or who needed these street children and all. Means my every things whichever I have achieved, college has been the very instrumental part for my career growth. Today I have for last 10 years I have got my own company, which is Oyster HR Solutions. And whatever thing I have achieved, I pay my tribute to the college. And I wish that the students, the current students, or they must be attending, or they may watch later on. But believe me, you need to trust your teachers, you need to trust your principal. And if you do so, definitely you will also achieve the success the way I have achieved. I'm tasting, and it is a proud moment and emotional moment for me to attend. I'm having I'm on bed rest actually for last 3 months because I'm having LS L4 L5 this thing. So doctor has asked me not to sit much, but when ma'am said to come and be there, so I was so overwhelmed that I forgot that I have got pain or anything. So that's how. So I may not be like able to speak much, and I'm like I'm just I'll be more tearful if I keep talking about my experience, and it will even a day will be less. Those the background, the garba functions, the elocutions, the debates, so all those things made me so strong in my knowledge, as well as my personality. It boosted my personality. So if at all I am successful, that is only because of MD Shah College, who gave me the opportunity to do tasks, who believed on me, my capabilities, and they made me go further. Whether it was beauty contest, whether it was parade, whatever it was, they had full support in me. So thank you very much. And so, ma'am, thank you very much for recognizing me for after so many years. Now even I recognize you, and I just cannot speak much. And I'm always there. I owe to college my services. I have told many times that if at all like whenever college requires me, I'll be just a call away, and I would be very happy to come and do pay little bit whatever I have got. It means we cannot pay back anything to the institution, but at least we can show our gratitude by doing something to the college. So thank you very much, Deepa ma'am. Thank you very much, Jhankana ma'am, and all the teachers for me having here, and expressing to allow me expressing my thoughts about my college, my MD Shah Mahila College. Thank you very much.
So nice. Pooja, you had come to college when we had organized that alumni.
Yes, alumni. Yes, 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 yes,
And
yes.
you had participated also in
Yeah,
again some. Yeah.
I got the prize also.
Yes, and you came all the way from New Mumbai. I
Yes,
remember
yes.
you, and you were there in the college till very late, and I was worried
Yes.
how you will go back.
Yes, yes, because college now, like college makes us younger. So though we are into 50s now, but still, like when it comes to college, then I feel that again I've gone back to 87, that 10th pass karke I have entered into college. So for me it's always like that energy which the college gives.
Thank you, Pooja. Thank you for being such a source of inspiration, I'd say, to all the teachers. And thank you for your gratitude that you have shown all the teachers. I think every student and in general, the environment of the MD Shah Mahila College is such that we try to nurture every student differently. We look into
Yes.
every student's needs and we try to help them as much as possible. That has been the
Yes.
maybe the cutting edge that we have over others. And all our principals, and of course, Mohan Bhai has been very supportive of all our work that we have been doing. We wish you a speedy recovery, Pooja, and thank you
Thank
for
you.
your kind words.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Yes.